Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if you are facing this issue, startup repair couldn't repair your PC on Windows 11 or 10. This video is for you. I will show you step by step how you can fix this issue without reinstalling the Windows or losing any data on your system. So let's start without wasting our time. First step, we are going to fix this issue with the help of restore system. Click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Again click on advanced options and now you will see system restore, but this system restore will only work if your system is created system restore on your system. Sometime it may automatically created on your system, and restore will work on your system according to the when your system was working fine. It will restore your system basically in a working state. So once you see this, select the latest system restore on your system. You should able to see the system date and time on your system and see if that is working for you or not. If system restore system is not created on your system, then you have to look for another options. And now we are going to in the safe mode to fix the issue. Click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, and now click on startup setting. So basically startup setting we can try with the help of going to safe mode. So just simply restart your Windows, and if you are not able to go into the safe mode, that means that the issue is on a higher level. So I will show you also in that step. So you can see here F4 is for enable safe mode. Just press F4 or 4 on your keyboard to simply go into the safe mode. Also if you have recently installed any program or apps, we can uninstall it with the help of safe mode. But if the safe mode is not working and it is failing on your Windows, then I will show you third step to fix that issue as well. Put your password here, and you will see this kind of windows on your system. Go to control panel from this window. Choose here the large icons, open programs and features, and uninstall the program which you have recently installed. Just click on filter on date and uninstall that program simply. But if you haven't installed any program and is still facing the same issue, then simply restart your Windows from here. By going into the safe mode and restarting your Windows in a normal mode should fix the issue if that is related to any conflict with the services. And let's see now if my issue is fixed or not. And see if the normal restart, and see if the going into the safe mode can fix the issue. Now again go to this screen, again same advanced options, open the command prompt, and first command is sfc space / scan now. This command will repair the Windows OS corruption on your Windows if the safe mode is not working. And this has been repair the file corruption, this command. Next command is boottrack space / fix mbr. Press enter. Now again type boottrack space / fix boot, and now type the command. Ignore the access is denied. This will work bootrec space / rebuild bcd. Press enter key and wait for the process to complete. This will rebuild your bcd files, booting files. And now once it is completed, just type exit here and click on continue with Windows 11 or 10, and this will hopefully fix the issue. If this step is also not working, then again go to the same Windows, and this time type this command chkdsk space / f space / r, and now the Windows drive letter, it should be C, and this process will take some time. You have to wait here until this process is completed, and this command will basically fix the bed sector in your hard drive or SSD and will fix the issue. So this is the video guys, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.